11-year-old me noticed the water parks in 2001. Now 25-year-old me is going. So after 14 years of waiting, here I go into the first one. I'm going into Blizzard Beach. I will see you on the other side. Now I am in Blizzard Beach and it's really, really cute. Now, if you remember Amanda from the Magic Kingdom vlog with Mine Train and the teacups, that's who we're trying to find now because she works here at Blizzard. She's a lifeguard. So we're gonna go to all the spots of water and go find her. And right now, I'll look at the gift shops later. They have those bars. It's like really nice right now. Look how cute the icicles are. So cute. Well, I have found the lazy river. Now my flip-flops are wet. And now we are heading towards the slope. There's some water. Well, I mean, I'm at a water park, of course there's water. Still trying to find my roommate. Found the wave pool. Now whether this is what they mean by shallow water, I guess I'll find out. Or it could mean the kiddie pool, because they probably have like a little kiddie area. But I'm still looking. Wasn't at the wave pool, so we're gonna go now try another place. So I guess I will see you alright. It's like a tropical version of Sugar Plum, right? There's a ski lift that takes you up to the slope up here. I will show you here in a moment. There's the ski lift. Kind of scary to be underneath it, but there's the ski lift and it takes you over here to that super tall slope up there. So that's fun. That looks so much fun. Alright, so I have a feeling that this is going to end up being like Elena's. I'm trying to run around and find her, and I'm not going to be able to. That's so pretty. Here, let's watch this one. With all this water, I'm probably going to end up like a lobster. Still trying to find you, Amanda. Maybe I'll find you, maybe I won't. We'll see. But I'm at least enjoying this lovely park. I'm going to have to come back and spin. Especially on your day off, so then I can come bother you. How cute! Still looking. Alright, that was fun. I didn't find my roommate. I didn't find Elena yesterday either. Oh, I'm thinking of Elena. Turns out she was actually working at, or she wasn't even working at all. She was at Epcot playing. So I didn't know that. Oops. So now we're going in here. Because I need to cool off and I want to come see what's in here. So, here we go. That's really cute. Look at it all. It's funny because it's like a beach place, but it also has a bunch of skis and stuff. It's really, really cute. There's a really cute shirt that I like, but like, these flip-flops. Look how cute. Although I think they're for kids. Because I don't see any in my size. Besides, I don't really need Disney flip-flops anyway. Sunglasses store. That's fun. Hey Amanda, did you see the little quick glance of sunglasses? If you come to your resort, you can get any of these sunshades. Here's the other side of the alligator. And I'm still wandering around. I will probably end up getting a pin when I come here and play. I really like this shirt. It's so cute. Can you see it? It's like super cute. There's like a little kitty version of it, but yeah. Yep, this is the water park's gift shop. Fun, huh? So, I don't know if you can hear it because I'm walking away, but in summer started playing at Blizzard as soon as I started walking away. So that's fun. So now I'm going to a resort, and you can probably guess which one it is. And now I'm gonna go try to find my other roommate, and if I can't find her, I'm either gonna go to Typhoon or I'm gonna head home. I don't know. So I really need to edit all these vlogs I'm filming for y'all. So, if you ever need a bus, here's the bus schedule. So yeah, I don't post the bus stops. So yeah, I'm heading off to a resort. I'll let you know which one I head to.